Hi there! Just days after the launch of the Bip 3, Amazfit has released the Pro variant, and here it is, the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. Now the biggest upgrade to this one is the 4 satellite positioning system, and in simple terms, it comes with built-in GPS which will help you map your outdoor workouts more accurately. Then we get 60 sports modes, 5 ATM water resistance rating, all the health monitoring sensors, SpO2 sensor, heart rate sensor, sleep tracking, and it's priced at just $3,999, which seems like a really compelling buy considering it comes with built-in GPS. So let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Starting with the unboxing. So we have this new long box packaging which looks very interesting. Bip 3 Pro on the top, watch picture here. Then below are some of its key features. Then towards the back are some of the manufacturing details and the MRP of $5,999. Alright, let's open it up. Now you don't need a knife or a scissor to open this box, just rip open from here. So inside the box, right on the top is the watch itself, a user manual in multiple international languages, and the Amazfit watch charging cable. It aligns and attaches magnetically as you bring it closer. Now let's have a closer look at the watch. So it comes with a square dial, as you can see. Amazfit 2 has adapted the new flat design, giving it a nice solid feel. It weighs just 33 grams, so it's light enough to be worn all the time. The straps are made of soft silicone material with a line textured design that looks quite nice. The back is made of plastic and it houses all the sensors in the center along with the charging terminals. Now these are 20 mm bands that can be replaced with other colors by simply pulling this hook mechanism. Now overall I'd say that the build quality and the in-hand feel are impressive. So as mentioned in the beginning, the watch comes with 5 ATM water resistance rating, so you can wear this watch in the rain, at the gym, in the shower, and my favorite, even while you swim. In fact, it also comes with swim tracking on board. Coming to the display. So it comes with a 1.69-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 280 pixels. That's about 221 ppi. The text is quite crisp and easy to read with good color reproduction. We also use the watch outdoors and the display gets bright enough to see even under direct sunlight. It comes with this anti-fingerprint coating that prevents smudges and fingerprints, keeping it mostly clean. The interface too is really smooth, something Amazfit is amazing at. It's a really well optimized user experience. Press and hold on the home page to change the watch faces. Currently there are only 2 that come pre-installed, rest you can download more from the Zepp app. Now let's quickly have a look at the interface. If you swipe from up, you can access the quick toggles, there's do not disturb, there's alarms, there's brightness, you can change the brightness directly from here. If you go back, this one is settings, your watch faces you can change, auto screen off time, screen lock settings, lift upon raise, you can toggle that on and off, light upon notifications. If you go into preferences, you have shortcut apps, press and hold for buzzing, vibration strength, time format and date format. Coming back in systems, about, regulations, restart, shutdown and factory reset. Okay, coming back to the home page, if you swipe right, you can access your daily activity, you have your heart rate, SpO2, stress tracking, PAI, weather, music player to control the music that's playing on your phone, and further back to home page. If you swipe from down, you can access your missed call alerts and notifications. Then you press this button on the side to access the menu, activity goal, PAI, heart rate, there's sleep tracking, there's workouts, workout history, SpO2, stress tracking, breathing app, women's menstrual cycle tracking, to-do list, alarms, and if you go into alarms, you can actually set the alarm directly from the watch. Again, a very handy feature. Going back, you have settings and more. If you go into more, you have the weather app, you have the music app, you have the countdown, stopwatch, world clock, camera remote and find phone. The best part is that the interface is really well optimized, super smooth and very easy to use. Check that out. Then the watch also comes with 4 satellite positioning system with high precision GPS and GLONASS. Basically, it helps map and track your outdoor workouts more accurately. So if you're a trekker or you like to go for outdoor runs, outdoor walks or even cycling, the built-in GPS tracking will provide more comprehensive workout data. Now I did test it briefly for an outdoor run and it got a fix on my location almost instantly. You know, we've all been through that moment when you're waiting for GPS to get a fix, especially on some smartwatches, and it takes forever. But with this, it was super quick. Once your workout is started, you can see all the details such as time, distance, pace, heart rate, and once you end your workout, a very detailed info, again with the map, is displayed right on the watch. Very cool. Now talking about workouts, I almost forgot to mention. The Bip 3 Pro comes with 60 workout modes, and if you go through the list, it's got all and probably more than you need. Yes, it also includes swim tracking. Further, it's subdivided into categories, which makes it far more easy to find what you're looking for. Alright, coming to health monitoring. So it features the BioTracker 2.0 PPG biometric sensor to monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress levels, and even sleep tracking. We tested them and they provided pretty accurate readings. However, always remember, these are just smartwatches and not medical equipment. Though Amazfit watches are one of the most reliable, the data is just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Then it also receives call alerts with vibration, and I have to say the alert is almost instantaneous with no delay at all. You can see the caller's name with an option to silent the ringer or reject the call. You cannot answer or make calls using this watch. I just wish we had an option to reply to an incoming call with a preset SMS. That would have been really handy. Similarly, you receive app notifications, you can read the message on the watch itself, but sadly, there's no way to reply. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a 280 mAh battery, which Amazfit claims should last for 14 days with typical use, which is really good. 2 weeks is really impressive. But again, battery life will vary and completely depend on how you're going to use this watch. There's brightness levels, there's notifications, then there's number of times you're going to wake the display, and of course, the biggest battery drainer, GPS. But even taking all those into consideration, Amazfit smartwatches have had a pretty good track record when it comes to battery life. So I can confidently say you'll get 8 to 10 days with average use. Let's talk about the Zepp companion app. Well, it's been there for the longest time and Amazfit has almost perfected it. It collects all your fitness data, health data, and it's also really easy to use. You can also share your data with Google Fit and Strava. Right now I'm using it with an Apple Watch, so it's Apple Health and Strava. Now this comes really helpful to back up your data. Then you can also manage notifications from which apps you want alerts and from which apps you don't. Then tons of watch faces to choose from. There's analog, there's digital, and there's even an option for custom watch faces. Then you can also look for software updates here. The Zepp companion app is a complete package. It takes everything you need. Alright, final thoughts. Now the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro isn't perfect. And I know a lot of you would say that there are other smartwatches in the market with bigger displays and even more sports modes in this price. And I agree, but what I can tell you about the Bip 3 Pro is that how well optimized the interface is, how dependable the tracking and the readings are, and it's not just about the screen size that's important. It's the experience, it's the tracking, it's how accurate it is. The Bip 3 Pro doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, yet covers all the health monitoring and the sports features we need. It comes with 5 water resistance rating and one of the best battery life in this category. And the cherry on the cake is built-in GPS. For $3,999, I think this is an excellent device. It's available in 3 colors. There's black, there's cream, and there's pink. By the way, just in case GPS isn't your priority and you want to save some money, you can also consider the Amazfit Bip 3. It looks identical, it has the exactly same features, it's got the exactly same display, the same functioning, the same sports modes, but the only difference is it lacks built-in GPS. And of course, it's also a little more pocket friendly. I'll leave the links for the Bip 3 Pro and the Bip 3 with all the color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one or even 2, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, cheers!